Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit. Just thought we'd do a quick video on pairing a phone up to a Starline Pro Immobiliser. And today we're in a 2017 Range Rover Overfinch. And the way you pair the phone is first ignition on without starting the vehicle, disarm it and get your tone. That confirms that it's you. Now we'll press any button 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cycle the ignition off, back on, we'll get 7 bleeps. That makes system discoverable. So now what we'll do, we'll hop into the Starline key app, start search. It'll come up in a list here. If it doesn't, go into your Bluetooth settings and find the device. When it asks you for a password, it's 06 times. Hit pair, you'll see it says no connection, but you hear a bleep. There we go, press OK. When we turn this off, we'll get 1 bleep to confirm 1 phone. If you have more than 1 phone, you'd connect it. When you turn it off, you'd get a bleep corresponding to the amount of phones, up to 5. There we go, there's our 1 bleep. Now if we open the Starline key app, turn the ignition on for the first time, see it updates and we get our green circle. Hope this helps out some of our customers who needed to pair their phone to a Starline. Once again, we're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.